Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Magic Eraser here in Canva. Let's begin. The Magic Eraser in Canva is a handy tool for removing unwanted parts of an image, such as backgrounds or specific areas. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section here. You can choose from business, social media, education, video, marketing, and print products. Or if you want to start from scratch and using the Magic Eraser, just click the Create a Design. Now, in my case, I'm going to use a specific photo. All right. Now this is the image that I wanted to work with. All I have to do is click the edit option. All right. What will happen is you would be forwarded with this tool. Now, you have the Magic Studio wherein you have an access to the background remover. We have a separate video on how to use that extensively. You might want to check that in our channel. Obviously, we're choosing the Magic Eraser. Now, I just wanted to let you know that before you can access the Magic Eraser, you might have to subscribe to the Canva Pro. Or else if you're using the free trial, you're not going to be able to access this feature or Magic Eraser tool. Now you see, you can have the brush size. You can make it a little bit bigger if you wanted. For example, I wanted to delete the text here. You see, there's going to be a purple kind of color for the here. It's not putting a color here, but rather it's the surface area that's going to be affected when you click on the erase button. All right. It really works wonders. All I'm going to do now is click on erase, and depending on the complexity of your images, all right, it'll take a little while, but normally for most pictures, you'll be able to remove all of it. All right, so let's try another photo. Now, for example, I'm going to be using this picture right here. I'm going to click on the edit. Going to choose the Magic Eraser, and I'm going to, you see there's going to be a click area. All right. You can select the images that you wanted. If you want this, click on erase. Wait for it. Again, it takes a little while, depending again on the quality of the photo. All right, and of course of the complexity of the image that has been uploaded or you are using, or you're editing. All right, just wait for it. It'll take a little while. This is one of the best features that I have subscribe to the Canva Pro because it works wonder. It's a lot easier to work with the background, really. It helps me a lot with my workflow. Now all I have to do is wait for it. You see, the image has been, of course, it's not perfect, all right? You still have to manually edit this in other software like Photoshop and a lot more. But of course, it does the job very smoothly, all right? For example, that's now I'm gonna click on cancel. Instead, I'm going to remove this. I'm going to click on the edit. I'm going to use the Magic Eraser. This time, I'm going to use and click, and I'm going to click on this image right here. Right. Let's see what we got here. Right. Wait for it. There you go. Now, once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on the share button here. You can download as an MP4 or a JPEG, or you can share this to your client. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.